I love coming to conferences like this and seeing creative ways that other companies have solved the same types of challenges we are.
It really is a great kind of platform to be able to find new ways to do things.
Get a sense of what other people have experienced, done, so that we don't have to learn from scratch.
One of the reasons why I keep coming is I want to see what my customers and what my clients are looking for and what's going to go and change and impact their business. I'm looking for ways to help them continue to find ways to innovate.
The learning is great. To connect with our partners is great. To connect with the UiPath folks has been great.
Meeting new people, networking with other colleagues, understanding what's happening in the industry. It's been really eye-opening for us to see what new technology is going to come out.
It's all about the networking and who I can actually meet and interact with and exchange stories, best practices, what we're doing, what they're doing, so that we can build our network and be stronger together.
At Fusion, what I found different was just the energy of the people here, genuinely interested in understanding each other's problems, and then collaboration that's been really fantastic to see.
Yeah, the reason we keep coming back to Fusion is the communication we get directly from the product teams. Talking to other customers, looking through, understanding what challenges they've had, learning from them, and just sharing stories.
It's inspiring. It gives me ideas on what we can do, how we can elevate our business, and it makes me really excited for the future.